Oi, wife! Do the laundry lah! Okay, paiseh, sorry. Hello, ah! Hi, welcome to another English class. This time, we're talking about the iron. The iron is not a telephone. I think you have seen this in a movie before. So, this is an iron. It's a noun. It also can be a verb. We iron our clothes. Iron the clothes. Because our clothes may have a crease. So we want to iron out the creases like that. When we're cleaning clothes, we do lots of things. We put the clothes in the washing machine, hang up the clothes to dry them, bring in the clothes when they're dry, iron the clothes or fold the clothes, and then we put the clothes away. So many things to do. So, to say it easily, we just say, do the laundry. Do the laundry. That means to do all of these things. Do the laundry. Now this is where Chinese and English, a little bit interesting. In English we say, do the laundry, and we can also take our clothes to clean the clothes at a store. Now I heard in Chinese it's the same word, but in English it's not. It's the laundromat. So we take our dirty clothes to the laundromat to do the laundry. Okay? So if you've got dirty clothes, go to the laundromat and clean them. When I do the laundry, I'm always surprised. Whose bra is this? Not mine. Ew, it's still not clean. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. And I will see you next week. Bye.